Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. In our today's video we are going to be making a lipstick. I have shared a few lipstick videos before, but this is a very different one. These lipsticks are going to contain some safe silicones, which will give a very easy spreadability of the lipstick, which will give a good intense color, a good stay, because of the silicones that we are going to be using. This is a little more advanced method of making lipsticks. So if anyone is interested in learning how to make these lipsticks, you all can definitely connect with me at the number that's given in the description box. I do take a lot of skincare workshops, so you all can go ahead and WhatsApp me. We'll quickly start with the making of this lipstick here. Now here I have my blend of silicones, which I am going to be using to make the lipstick. And here I have my waxes and my fatty alcohols, which is going to help to harden the lipstick and to give us a good texture to give, so that the lipstick does not break easily. And here we have our blend of pigments, a color which I have already made. It's on the lines of a pink shade, and we'll quickly start with the making of the lipstick. So now I'll just go ahead and quickly heat this so that all the waxes and the fatty alcohol, it melts completely. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both these containers here, and now we'll go ahead and combine them. And we'll just mix it well. So I've gone ahead and combined both the silicones and the waxes, and here we have the solution. And now we will go ahead and add our pigment to this, and we will give it a good mix. I've gone ahead and mixed the color, and this is how it looks like. So I'm quickly going to go ahead and pour this into our mold. So I've gone ahead and filled this in my mold. Here I've got one full one just a little less, but that's okay because it's still going to fit in our lipstick tube. And I'm going to go ahead and keep this in the fridge quickly to dry up, and I'll show you all how the lipstick looks. Okay, so here I have gone ahead and unmolded the lipsticks and put this in my container, put this in the lipstick tube, and this is how the lipstick looks like. And we'll go ahead and just try out a little of this lipstick just to show you all how the spreadability is. It's a very light color, pink color, a very light shade which we have made, and the color looks something like this. And these are very, very moisturizing for your lips, very hydrating. They don't feel dry, your lips don't feel cracked, very, very moisturizing. So friends, this is the lipstick that we have made today, and if at all you are interested in learning how to make these, you can definitely connect with us on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. If you like the videos I share, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends as well. Thank you so much everyone.